train journey. It is said that one day an old lady sat with her grandchildren. She said to them with a dreamy voice, "I've never ridden a train in my entire life." Her grandchildren were delighted by her words, and they saw a sincere desire in her eyes to experience it. So they immediately bought her a train ticket to a nearby city to visit her old friend. On the awaited day, the grandmother boarded the train with a smile, but her smile didn't last long. She noticed that one of the seats in the carriage had torn upholstery, so she got angry, picked up her belongings, and moved to another carriage. In the new carriage, she was annoyed by the drawings on the leather seats. She said to herself, "What a strange taste." She picked up her things again and moved to a third carriage. And so the grandmother kept moving from one carriage to another, complaining about the seats, the colors, the noise, and every little thing that bothered her. While she continued her search, the journey went on. Finally, her options ran out, so she had to sit in a simple seat. For the first time, the grandmother looked out the train window. Her eyes widened in awe as she saw a breathtaking view: green trees, sparkling rivers, and mountains touching the sky. She softly said to herself, "What a beautiful scene!" But suddenly her reflection was cut off by the driver's voice. "We're approaching the destination station." The grandmother was shocked. She couldn't believe the journey ended so quickly. She whispered with regret, "If I had known the trip was so short, I wouldn't have spent my time complaining, and I would have enjoyed the beauty of nature." The moral of the story: our journey in life is just like this grandmother's train ride, short but precious. We often waste it focusing on flaws and ignore the beauty surrounding us. We complain about what we lack and forget to be grateful for what we have. Life is never without discomforts, but its beauty is always there for those who choose to see it. The secret lies in the eye that sees, not in the scene being seen. So don't waste the journey like the grandmother did.